So this was the end to William's rugby tour, and for the last day I managed to book a 2-hour shark fishing trip on Epic Fishing Trips. So as I walked onto the harbour, I know that I hadn't been on a boat for a very long time, and last time I was very sick, but I thought 2 hours would be safe.
Are we excited about going on a boat?
Yeah.
Bit windy, bit trobby. Let's see how we go.
So, as we made our way out into the Bay of Quay, I was hoping that we'd see at least some kind of action.
Go, Dad. Yeah.
The first hour went by pretty quickly, and all we saw was weed off the bottom, and every now and again we took a rock or a stone and it would give us a quick tug, but nothing.
You on? Take your in? No, you've hooked somebody else's line.
Excuse me, can I have your help?
What have you hooked? Who's up to your line, Ray?
Hi.
There was about 20 minutes left of our trip, and I had a rip round like I've never had before, and the guys that rushed to the back of the boat thinking I'd snagged it against a rock or something, and then it came free and it was a, I don't know, 6-7 pounder bull huss. They're a bit like dogfish, but a lot more wriggly and more powerful, and the skin on them is a lot more abrasive, and it did wear away chunks of my skin on the back of my hand. And then, not to be outdone, Eddie hooks himself another little bull huss right at the end.
Get in, are you, Russ? Do you have a photo with him?
Dad, where we're fishing from,
We've just been hooking loads and loads of clumps of weed, yeah.
Go fish from Epic.
And then it was time to travel back to the shore, and I hadn't been seasick, so we caught some fish and I hadn't been sick. Bonus.